Rob Frazier here. This video, I want to talk about Ad Click Xpress. I've been a member of Ad Click Xpress way back when it was just been paid with Frederick Mann profit clicking, and I since then have logged in, logged out, logged in, logged out over the years. But I just want to talk about their Prime advertising. Now, underneath this video is going to be a link, and with that link, it's going to look like this right here. I guess I should have already had it pulled up before I started the video. And while it's loading with my country bumpkin Wi-Fi, I'm going to just continue on. I've been using what's called the Prime advertising. Now you can sign up, create a free account. When you have your free account and you verified your email and you've done all that kind of good stuff, they have something that's called Prime advertising. This is the page that's going to be underneath the video to create your free account. Never mind anything else you may see on it. Look, this is a great place to get traffic. Here, when you get your free account, log in, go under Main, go down to Prime Advertising, click it. It's going to open up into a new page. And again, while my country bumpkin Wi-Fi is going, I'm going to go back over here and show you proof. Why would you want to use Ad Click Xpress for your traffic? Namely, the Prime advertising. And again, I guess I should have waited for my internet. We moved out in the country, and ever since then, the Wi-Fi has just been slow country bumpkin, and I could look straight up the hill and see a 5G tower. I know that has nothing to do with Wi-Fi, but whatever. So here are my stats. This is what the page is going to look like. This is what the Prime advertising page looks like. So, main menu, under main, scroll down, click Prime advertising. Down here, put in an ad. You can set in and put in an ad. And I think it's either 10 bucks. Don't quote me on that because I had money in Ad Click Xpress for a while, but I just recently reactivated my Prime advertising. I highly suggest doing it, and especially if you have a worldwide offer to promote online. This right here, if you have a crypto offer, this right here, it'll work wonders with that offer. So this is to show you where my ad is. It shows you about 3,600 and some odd views, so 38, 36. I can't see even in this big giant screen here. But what I want to show you is this. This right here is the capture page that I'm promoting, the stats to the capture page. And I'm going to go down here and click on the past 30 days so you get the past month of me using this traffic source. Now down here you see the code that says ACX, that is Ad Click Xpress. The counter is a little different. I don't know how leads leap. I don't know what the difference between a total, a unique, or a real click is, because if it was unique and real and then you add them together, it equals more than a total here. I don't know. That's another video. But 95 opt-ins just from using this one source over the past 30 days. And it's the Prime advertising. You don't have to surf ads or anything. You just go down there, you pop in your link, and I think you have to put like 10 bucks. I think it costs 10 bucks. I'm not 100% sure, but if you do it, and especially if you have a worldwide offer to promote, I highly suggest doing it, because you see right here, 95 opt-ins over the past 30 days. So 30 days divided by 95, that's what, around 3 leads a day? Let's see, let's just figure it out. 30 days, 95 divided by 30, about 3.166666 leads per day. But that's not bad. And, hey Rob, did you get any signups from it? Yes, I did. As to not show, let's see what I can do here. View followers. I'm actually not going to click on that because it shows people's emails, addresses. But yes, I have got at least 25 signups. And all I've been doing is just following my BLC plan, which Ad Click Xpress is one of those programs on my plan. Underneath this YouTube video, you're going to see a link to something like this, or maybe this one. I don't know, whichever one I want. They're both the same. You go down here, you click on Show Me the System, or it may be an opt-in page. You may have to put in your email to get emails from yours truly. But you want to get those emails because I'll show you how I'm getting those clicks, getting those opt-ins, and getting those signups. But my BLC plan, Boost Your Leads and Cash plan, I basically talk about it on this page right here. It's basically Cash Juice, Infinity Traffic Boost, Leads Leap, and now Ad Click Xpress. But that's it. It's a very simple way to get started and to get 500 clicks per day, hitting your capture page, and getting a steady amount of opt-ins. I have another video where I actually dive deep into the Cash Juice part of this, but my BLC plan, Boost Your Leads and Cash Flow. Boost your leads, Infinity Traffic Boost, your leads, Leads Leap, and Cash Juice. And I'm also throwing in Ad Click Xpress at the end. But it's those four pieces that I put in front of any business that I'm promoting online. And that's the simplest way I can help you make money online in affiliate marketing. So, if you just come across this video, come across me first time, name's Rob Frazier, spent 12 years in the Marine Corps. I do affiliate marketing full-time from the house. Had a few ups and downs. I got myself in 6 figures of debt. April 30th, 2015. $102,284.74 of debt. January 8th of 2016, I've paid off that whole amount from affiliate marketing. And it's through following plans like this, just being very calculated and very straightforward. So, this video, actually underneath, I'm going to have two things. A link to Ad Click Xpress, get a free account, and use the Prime advertising. Go here to main, go down to Prime advertising, follow the instructions, and especially if you have a worldwide offer. If you have an offer that's just United States, don't. I wouldn't do it. So if you're promoting like, I don't know, I'm not going to get into names, but if you have an offer that you just want United States traffic for, this isn't the thing. If you want worldwide traffic, you got to, whatever it is you're promoting, a crypto deal, something like that, a marketing system you want to give away, a business that's operating in 180 countries, let me know. I got all of that. You want to use this site and you want to tap into it, and it's now part of my BLC plan. So that being said, Rob Frazier here, wrapping this video up. Same thing here. This is just another version. People come here, they come down here, they click on Let Me In, my BLC plan, Leads Leap, Infinity Traffic Boost, Cash Juice, and Ad Click Xpress. I don't know, I might change it to my BLCC plan. Call it the Black Plan. God damn it. Pardon my French there, but you come down here, Cash Juice, Infinity Traffic Boost, Ad Click Xpress, and Primary Business. If you have a primary business you're promoting, throw your link there. You can promote it all in one fell swoop and just talk about how much results you're getting. That's all I do. I follow this plan. I have a couple other methods of getting traffic, but this is the start. It's very, very simple to do this traffic exchange strategy, which is basically everything you see here. So that being said, wrapping this video up for real. This right here will actually go on my Ad Click Xpress YouTube playlist as I put out more content about it. And my next video, I'll actually talk about the ad packs and going more in depth with that. So that being said, this is just 1/4 of my BLCC plan. We'll see you in the next video.